like I was saying, actually I wanted to change let's change the picture, the first one. So let's go and replace it. Click your sticker, add image, go ahead and choose this one that we generated. That's one that I wanted to use. I want us to use this. Like this one now. So I'm sure this one will be okay. So can you see what I'm saying? I think this one is perfect for it. This one is perfect for just adjust the picture. Just adjust it. So this one is okay. Let's see. Yes, this one is okay. This one is okay. And even this one, so we need to change it because of the background of the image. There shouldn't be background there because it should be pure white. Even if there is background, the background should be pure white, like this first one now. So let's go ahead and change this one as well. Let's change it. Let's change it. Delete. Let's change it. Let's use this. Let's use this. Let's adjust it. Your business is struggle to get attention online. Bad feel and boring content feel slow your growth. Yes. For the info media enterprise, we bring brand to life with professional video editing. So the next one is with this one. We need to change this one as well. We need to change this one as well. We need to change it. Where is it? So let's change this one as well. Let's delete this one. Delete. Let's pick another one. The reason why I'm changing all this picture is that I don't want them to give me background. So that background is an error. So it's not make the work late. That's why I'm changing it. So I prefer this one. And as for, I think I told you that there's watermark in this one. Just try and adjust it. Because of the watermark, we try and crop it out. So then adjust it. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. Yes, it's okay like this. So let's just do what we just did. Your business is struggle to get attention online. Bad feature and boring content to slow your growth. For the info media enterprise, we could bring brand to life and provide that video editing. So you see, that's where, and just for us to make it, let's just add one more part, and the last part we are going to be adding will be contain your details, your information, your content. Let's see what's the text says. You see this, there's another one, say we help you engage your audience. I think we should use it, but no, I don't want to use it. I don't want that thing to be more. Oh, let's use it. But in your own case, you can draft any other. I'm not using this for anything. I'm only using this one for practical class. I have the one I'm using already. I do not use this particular software to create it. Test. So let's use this. Don't forget, center it. When you center it, try and adjust make sure you readjust this font size. You know, the reason why we reduce the other one is because the text is too much. So adjust it. Then go and import your image. So this image we are going to be using now, I think we're going to be using this one. Yes. But in your own case, you can generate the best image. See this one, I'm trying to avoid this background. I don't want this background, and I cannot even go ahead to go and be downloading anything now. Look for any image you are going to be using. Make sure you avoid this thing. Please avoid something like this. Avoid something like this. Avoid background. There will be background there, but let that background will be pure white, so that it will blend with the background of your video. So I think the last one is contain the contact. Yes, grow your business with the info media. So that is it. If you have any question, you can as well reach out to me. I will guide you through. Sorry if this class is too fast. I prefer this class to be an online, but it's because of some set of people that I know that there might be issue with network, because most of my class should be online. Should use either Google Meet or Zoom, but because of some set of people that I don't want a situation whereby will be complaining about network or any other thing, that's why I make it a recorded class. So if you have any question, you can reach out to me and I'll be glad to attend to you. So this is it. So let's go ahead and choose our image. I think I have one image that is what I'm using for this one. What is this? Come on. Well, the last part should contain your details, like something like this. Don't forget, I told you to avoid the background though. Avoid the background. This image I'm using, I generated it from another AI, not from Google Direct. So that's why it's giving me this background, and I don't want to be stressing myself and remove any background. That's why I'm still using it. So you can change your own. And this video, I don't want it to be long than this. I want it to be longer than this. So as you have put this one, make sure you center it. Make sure you center it. So in the next video, I will show you how to add your. So in the next video, it will be a combine of how to make use of CapCut and how to generate your video and your voiceover, sorry, and how you can edit it. So because I will be adding voiceover to this whiteboard animation, I'll be adding voiceover and I'll be adding background music as well. So see you in the next class. Make sure you watch this video, pay close attention to the details, because before you start asking questions, you should watch it very well. Don't just come and be asking me the question that I've already been tutoring in this video. So see you in the next class.